Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with credentials and the file manager open. Make sure you have admin rights or your account password ready. Once open, go straight to Settings or Preferences, because that's where password controls live. If the app has a search box, type security or password to jump there quickly. You do this to avoid navigating through unrelated menus and to make the next steps faster. Remember, being in the correct pane prevents accidental changes to file permissions. Next, select Change Password or Manage Security to reveal the form fields. This is where the how happens. Enter your current password to authenticate, then type the new password and confirm it to prevent typos. Make sure the new password meets the file manager's rules, length, required symbols or numbers, and any rotation policy, because systems block weak entries. Once the form validates, click Save or Apply. You should see a confirmation message. Finally, verify the change by logging out and signing back in with the new password to confirm access. This closes the loop. Make sure to update any saved credentials in linked devices or sync clients so scheduled tasks keep running. If you can't log in, use the account recovery option or ask an administrator to reset your password. Do this promptly to restore access. One troubleshooting tip: clear cached credentials and retry, because stale caches often cause apparent login failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.